everyone, welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Today let's make this fashion-inspired PPT. First insert an image. Then go to Format Shapes, and crop it to the aspect ratio. Then fit it to the whole screen. Then insert a rectangle. Make it no outline, and increase its transparency to 68%. With change in color to black. Then group the image and shape. Now go to Shapes and again insert a rectangle. And change its color to black. Insert a rectangle again. And change its dimensions. Align it in center of the slide. Then copy this blue shape, and subtract the black shape from the blue shape. Then paste that blue shape. Make it no fill and change the outline color. Increase its width. I am moving it upward little bit. Let me also change its color. Then select the black shape and the current frame, and group them. Now it's time to insert the text. So take a text box from the shapes, and change its properties. And here your first slide is completed. Now duplicate the first slide. Move the upper text out of the slide. And stretch the frame. Make sure that you get the yellow border in the corners of your slide. Now shift this text in top. And insert the content in this page. Change the transparency level on second slide. Also insert this text on the first page. And move them outside of the slide. Apply the Morph Transition on second slide. Then insert a new page. Insert a rectangle. Outline and change its dimensions. And adjust. Now change its color. Then insert a circle. Change its dimensions. Increase the width of the outline and change its color. Then picture fill the shape. Now again insert a rectangle with round corners. And adjust it on the slide. Add some elements to decorate it. And then insert the content. Now duplicate the slide. Delete all elements. Then insert rectangle. Changes its color and dimensions. Duplicate it. And resize it. Again, duplicate it. Picture fill the center image. I am adding this one as well, so that it will make a good impact on the slides. Then again add the elements to decorate the slide, and then insert content. Then duplicate the slide, delete all elements. Then go to Insert tab, and insert an image. Crop the image to the ratio of the slide. Then insert a rectangle in the full page. Make it no outline, and change its color and transparency level. Insert e-text. And then align to make it look more aesthetic. And apply the different transition to your slides. And here you go. Subscribe our channel for more such useful tips and tricks in PowerPoint. Thank you.